Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, some extra clouds have rolled in. We are tracking some rain offshore, but it's a little deceiving. We take a look at the areas of green from roughly Block Island Sound out towards, looks like the Twin Forks of Long Island, New York, and south of that, an area of rain and tracking off to the north and east. But the air overhead is still very dry. So in other words, the radar can detect raindrops in the clouds, but the air below is very dry, so a lot of this tends to dry up, not even reach the ground. I mean, later on this evening and overnight, there may be a couple of sprinkles along the south shore, but as far as this being something significant to help the drought, not this one, at least not yet, though. Some hope down the road of some beneficial rain. More on that in just a second. High temperatures today, very nice. Obviously not as warm as yesterday. Many spots in the mid-60s. Compare that to yesterday when we topped out between 80 and 85, and these numbers are closer to average, where we should be for this time of year. Clouds and at times a little bit of filtered sunshine. Downtown Providence cool at 56 on a southeast breeze at 10. Relative humidity not quite as low as yesterday, down to 49%. Now yesterday we had a land breeze, the winds out of the northwest. Today more of a sea breeze, the wind off the water. Now this time yesterday it was still in the 80s in Newport. Now it's only 50. Combination of the cloud cover and the wind off the water doing the trick there. And really the cloud cover and the sea breeze keeping temperatures in check today. Many spots right now in the mid-50s, so much cooler. Here's the wider view, and again, this shower activity coming up from the bottom of your TV set really won't be much of a factor here this evening, and then most of it sliding offshore. Nothing upstream. In fact, clouds will eventually give way to sunshine for tomorrow. Compare the temperatures now to 24 hours ago, and we are 27 degrees colder, so a significant cool down compared to yesterday, which in itself was very unusual as far as the temps go. Futurecast starts off at 7 o'clock this evening. I mean, small chance of a couple of sprinkles, if that, along the immediate south shore, but generally cloudy and dry. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow morning, starting with some clouds early on, but the trend will be for increasing amounts of sunshine. We are setting up for another very nice day. Much like today, we should top out in the mid-60s, then a few extra clouds arriving by tomorrow evening. So for this evening and overnight, mostly cloudy. Midnight, the temperature at 50. Overnight tonight, under mainly cloudy and dry skies, the temperatures dropping down to the low and middle 40s. Any early morning clouds tomorrow giving way to partly sunny skies, 45 to 61. And then tomorrow afternoon, looking at a blend of clouds and sunshine, a nice day with daytime highs in the mid-60s. Yes, beneficial, much-needed rain is in the forecast. And right now, we're thinking the timing would be Saturday night, especially Sunday into Monday, and this could be a soaker and much needed. Temperatures over the weekend cooler on Sunday with a high temp near 60. So we're not talking like a shower here and there. This may be an actual soaker later Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday.
Okay. Alrighty. Thanks, Tony. Still ahead at 9.